Okay, so this is Scott, and what I'm going to be going through with Scott is just texturizing techniques with texturizing scissors. The reason we're using texturizing scissors on this haircut is because we've got areas of sparseness and thickness, and then thickness and sparseness. So what we want to do is kind of soften the thicker area. So I'm just going through on that curvature, mid-lengths to ends, as you would with normal scissor over comb. So you're moving up, leaving the head but carrying on. And what that's doing is it's cutting one, missing one, cutting one, missing one. Texturizing scissors have a bad rap because of misuse. A lot of hairdressers or barbers use them to remove a big weight line that should otherwise be removed with different techniques. If you use texturizing scissors in the wrong way, they end up ruining the shape that you've tried so hard to create, which defeats the whole purpose of the haircut. What I want you to do over here now is this weight line that we've got, change in kind of tone of hair color. I want you to just go through it and then move on. Do one column, move on, one column, move on. Okay, so the next time you do it, I'm going to just mimic something for you. Next time you do it, try keep your blade a little bit flatter to the scissors. Your blade was slightly off. Better. Move along to this next column. Good. Start slightly lower, just because there's a dip at the back of the head here. Can you see that darker patch? You want to just get through that. So start your comb slightly lower. Close them all the way. Good, go up. That's what we're aiming for. So when you're going through it, stop there and then move on. Yeah?